Syafi'ah Matahari. Tia Ramadhani. Lavania Rasela. Sofi Syatila Rambe. Nurkalika Rasela. Dita Isa Fitri. Sherry Oradio. Andaria Lintas Adila. Amalia Putri Amsa. Akibatno
Present, Miss.
Tahan Rizky. Okay guys, before we start I will check your focus first. So, Kita, attention please. Okay, if I say touch your head and touch your hand, if I say touch your hand and touch your hand, if I say touch your mouth, and if I say touch your nose, please touch your nose. Understand? Do you understand? No. Jadi kalau Miss bilangnya sentuh kepala. Jika Miss bilang sentuh tangannya. Nanti Miss bakalan kelabuhi. Pakai ragam Miss. Pahami? Oke? Oke. Touch your head. Touch your hand. Touch your nose. Touch your mouth. Touch your eyes. Touch your head. Touch your head. Oke, sebenarnya ada hukumannya. Jenny. Maunya apa? Jenny. Menari. Oke, hukumannya cuma ini aja. Miss cuma nanya, ketika kamu nanyain sesuatu, terus tentang opini, kamu nanyanya misalnya baju aku bagaimana hari ini? Just one please. Boleh?
Kalau bisa
Mau nyanyi? Jangan ya, jangan.
Menurutmu gimana
Kalau di Inggris?
what's your opinion about my sister or
Okay, good. Okay, today we are going to learn about asking and giving opinion. Okay, what is asking opinion? Asking opinions means asking for someone ideas or view. And other than one, giving opinion is giving opinions, expressing your own idea or view. And what is the different opinion versus yours? Opinion is personal thought. Example, the class is comfortable, and the fact is the class has 30 students. And the social function is share ideas, discuss topics, solve problems, and make decisions. Next types of opinion. The first is personal opinion. For example, is I think this book is interesting, and in my opinion, English is important. Jadi personal opinion ini opini kita sendiri terhadap sesuatu. Dan general opinion is the example many people in school rules are important, and students believe homework is useful. Jadi general opinion ini opinion yang berlaku ke semua orang. How to ask for opinions? Ketika kamu menanyakan opinions, biasanya menggunakan what do you think about this? What do you think about this? Repeat me. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? Satu lagi. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? Okay. What is your opinion? What is your opinion? How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it? Do you agree? Do you agree? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? Okay, selanjutnya is how to give an opinion. Jadi di memberikan opinion itu menggunakan kata pertamanya biasanya itu I think, I believe, in my opinion, personally, I think, according to me, itu maksudnya gimana? Nah, selanjutnya penggunaan agreement and disagreement. Untuk menjawabnya, kamu bisa setuju atau tidak. Setuju atau tidak. Ya. Agreement artinya setuju. Biasanya awalnya menggunakan I agree. I agree. That's true. That's true. I think so. I think so. You are right. You are right. Oke. Apabila kamu tidak setuju, ini namanya disagreement. Disagreement. I disagree. I disagree. I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure about it. asking and giving opinion biasanya menggunakan subject, opinion, reasons. Use reason to support you feel clearly and briefly. For example, I think this rule is good because it helps students. The subject is I. Opinion, think this rule is good. And reason, because it helps students. Do you understand? Please. Okay. Subjeknya I. Opinionnya I think this rule is good. Reason, because it helps students. Biasanya reason pakai kata because. Contoh kedua itu in my opinion. Subjeknya I. My opinion. School should be clean. Ini opinionnya. Because it is comfortable. Ini reason. You understand?
Yes.
Nah, ini contoh penggunaannya. Ada yang mau baca? Pasangannya siapa? Sama dia? Intan pilih yang A atau yang B? Yang B, berarti Cherry yang A.
What do you think about this dress? I think it is too bright. Do you have another outfit? Yes. Just a darker color.
Okay, good. Jadi, seperti yang kita tahu tadi, opinion itu
Pendapat.
agree?
Setuju.
Disagree?
Tidak setuju.
Wrong?
Approve.
Okay, nice. Semuanya udah paham? Udah ngerti? Dulu ada dulu. Ada yang perlu ditanyakan? Kita? Oke, untuk ngetes kalian udah bisa apa enggak? Miss ingin kalian bikin grup. Satu grupnya 2 orang. Jadi pilih pasangan masing-masing. Satu orang itu kalian bikin percakapan. Yang satu menanyakan pendapat opinion, yang satu lagi menjawab. Ya, menjawab brief opinion. Masih ingat? Masih ingat how to ask for opinions? Menggunakan apa saja?
I believe. Agree. How do you feel about my
Oke, Miss kasih kalian waktu sekitar 3 menit. Kalian bikin percakapan sesuai keinginan kalian sendiri. Yang penting satu orang menanyakan opinion, yang satu lagi memberikan opinion. Oke? Atau ada yang bisa? Satu kelompok aja nggak apa-apa. Karena waktu Miss terbatas, Miss ingin pengen satu orang aja ke depan. Satu kelompok.
Yogi.
Yeay, bagus.
Ikutin yang ini guys. Atau boleh di
Boleh.
Sesuai yang ini.
what do you think about this?
I think yeah, it's a good to when you use. I think and in my opinion is good to when you use it. About
Give up.
jadi itu ya.
Ada yang mau lagi? Kita, iya tadi katanya ditambah. Ada kayak diskriminasi. Kok enggak?
Nggak mau kumis.
Aku nyanyi. Ya ada lagi yang mau?
Cherry miss.
Cherry ya.
Ya. Oke ya. Ya dari tadi. Apa rasanya? Kurang ini kayaknya.
Oke, jadi kesimpulannya apa aja tadi yang digunakan buat menanyakan opinion? And how to give opinion?